we've got little Rensie babies in here. Oh, look at that. We've got 3 little lemons. Oh, man. And 4 little tricolors. Oh, they're so cute. Absolutely adorable. Oh my goodness. Too cute. Little tiny one's a boy. I haven't checked gender on the other one, so I might take a quick peek. So adorable.
Oh, this one made me squeal when I saw him. Look at that face, he's a masked bandit. He's like a superhero. I love it. Oh my goodness, that's the cutest little baby, oh my word. Oh, I have to check gender. Okay, that was a boy. Mom stole my phone. I had to go get it. Oh my goodness, that's the cutest baby ever. Okay, Mama. You ate all my hot dogs. I already gave you all the hot dogs. Silly girl. Oh my word, that was a cute baby. Here's another cute baby. So that was a baby boy. Oh, no, looks like we're gonna have a lot of little baby boys. There's a little baby boy. Hey, Mommy. Let's see this one. Are you? Oh, and another baby. Oh, that's the same baby boy. He's really tiny. Okay, here's another one. And this one is also a baby boy. Oh my goodness, we got so many baby boys. Everybody's a boy so far. I think I have one left. Oh, that's unbelievable. They're all boys. 7 baby boys. Somebody asked me if that ever happens. And I said, no, not usually. Guess what? Hey, the masked bandit's getting away. I'm going to have to rescue him. Oh, crumbs. I can't even reach in there. Unbelievable. Now, there was a little tiny. Uh-oh, he's going to squeal because he's lost. Now, there's a little teeny, tiny little lemon. And he's also a baby boy. You go get that silly little masked bandit. Okay? Oh, that little guy's moving. Look at him. Okay, let's see if I can rescue him. Yeah. Back with the rest of the crew. All boys. Unbelievable. Oh, man. 7, and they're all boys. And they're very cute. So cute. Too sweet. It's Rensie and Crockett's baby.